Hello and welcome back to Long Switch Academy. This is your host Shubham, and you are watching our Salesforce How to series where we talk about quick tips, best practices, and standard operating procedures that you should be using as a Salesforce professional. In today's video, we are talking about how you can use mass change status action on leads to to change the status of multiple leads at once. As part of this, what I say, use of this mass action, you can achieve so many benefits including the savings of your time across like leads, because if you have so many, let's say hundreds of leads, and where you have to change the status of them, then if you use the manual actions, if you try to do it manually one record at a time, it will save a lot of time, it will take a lot of time. So with this mass action you can save time. And if you had like arranging your leads across different campaigns depending on their status, then you can leverage this mass change status action to move all leads at once into a particular what I say, into a particular status, so that you can quickly turn around your campaign implementation to your targeted leads. So let's see this in action. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, to subscribe to Long Switch Academy so that you never miss an update from us. In order to use this mass change status action on leads, you have to select or log into your org, and from there in the what I say, app launcher, search for leads. It will take you to the leads list view, and from there you see this action change status. It will allow you to update the status on your multiple leads at once. Maybe you can call it like bulk status change action. So here, first what you have to do, you have to pick all the leads on which you want to make the changes. I want to pick these two leads, and currently they are sitting in open not contacted status, but I want to change their status. Right now I just have three open leads in my system, but you can have hundreds of leads, it will work with them also. You have to select this change status action. Then in the drop down it will ask to which status, or to which status you want to what I say, change your leads to. So here I'll pick, let's say I don't want to what I say, uh, work with these or sorry, I want to I have already started working with these leads, so I want to move it to like I'm working it and they are contacted. So once I'm done with that, you can pick any status of your choice and hit save. And once the changes has been done, you can see the notification like that status was updated for two leads. And now when I come back here, I can see that the lead status has been changed for my selected leads. So this is a great time saver. It will enhance your productivity at least two times when you're working with large number of leads for status change. Do let me know what you feel about it. Did you already know about this status or this mass action? What are your thoughts on this? Do let me know in the comment section below. What do you feel about this video? If there is anything to change or update on this, do let me know that as well. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, just subscribe to Long Switch Academy. And until next time, keep learning and keep growing with Long Switch Academy. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.